Esta pieza de aquí es la. Hello YouTube, Songoland here. Today we are with one Jeep. Is the Mercedes engine 2.7. Is the Grand Cherokee Laredo from year 2002. And as you know, if you see my other videos, fixing one problem I have in the pipe where we pull the liquid from the transmission. I broke this clamp, is the exhaust clamp, what joins the turbo and the catalyzer, if I am not wrong. Nothing, I just received the spare today. This is the original spare and the reference, and well, by my surprise it comes with this other metallic part in here, as you see, and these are the two arms I have broken in my one, like this, and it comes with that. What I do was I load with opening this with a lot of pressure. I put these irons inside because I really don't find any video on internet talking about that clamp or how to install. Then I have no idea how to install that. I never do it before, and I think the right position is like that. If the engine is like that, this clamp go just like that. But I'm not 100% sure of that. And we will test that today and see what happens. I will show you now how I do for load that with tension and put that in the middle. I just take advantage of a little piece of wood, and that step was easy, and I hope that is going to help me to fit that inside the motor. It's really tight, and probably I'm going to need to fight a bit with that. Then let's do it and see what happens. the best we can do is just test it and we see what happens. Okay, then looks like it's in. It was more easy than what I was thinking in begin. The truth is we have not a space in here, but as you see was super easy. One time we have opened the clamp. The trick of all that and what saved me was this part, what come with the clamp. I didn't have that for try to extract it out, and I can tell you take that out from there is more difficult than put it in. I have broken my one trying to get that out, and you see, just nearly with my hands and a couple of bangs in one side and everything get in nice. This is the thanks to that iron from here. Okay, then I hope this video is useful for some of you and can help you to save some time or any doubt you have about that. And that was the right position for install this clamp. I have not cleared that in begin, but now I see it. It was good installed and it was good prepared with the wood system I used for it. Put that in the middle. Okay, then I hope you enjoyed the video and give us a nice like. See you really soon in another video. Thanks for watching.